like 4 months.
Yeah, we know. Nobody cares. Shut up. Just
You're
fucking
so mean.
play your life, use your dodges effectively, and just stop
What is-
bitching.
I don't have a dodge key.
Okay. Off to a good start.
Put the right shifts
Alright,
on
come
where
on,
the
come
left
on,
shift
Everybody
is.
can hear me in mains. Main. Can you hear me? Type 1, type 1. I can hear you.
We're testing. Yeah, I hear Lulu, I hear Ape. Alright, looks like we got ones in the chat, Perfect. Alright, looks like everyone hear me. You guys can go ahead and adjust me now if you're new to the army. Or it might have like reset or something. One if ice is muted. Whoa,
Oh, that's some lovely lag spikes. I'm sure that won't get me killed.
Oh yeah, VODs, make sure you guys record
Somebody's
VODs, pop
fucking
consume, check out consume,
streaming
check
4K
your attributes, make
Netflix.
sure they're all locked in, ready to go. I gotta
Alright,
close
Phil
my
check,
window.
Mike check,
Give me
you
one
check,
second.
Alright.
you check.
Check. One thing I want to talk about really quick. We are playing 2 heavy disruptors and 2 medium fire staffs.
Okay.
That mean, or sorry, a VG. That means that we should play inside lane. Don't let anybody get through the inside lane. If we need a front to black, we can. People die fast now and dive. I definitely have been noticing the last couple of wars. So if you see a disruptor overextend, look for stam bars. Like if they don't have stam, they're gonna die. Like lose stam so quickly now. So keep an eye on that.
Help your healer.
Man, I love
Ah, fuck your healer.
Let's go, baby. Let's
Holy
go.
shit, I didn't either. Fucked.
Let's go.
Good guns.
On this
That's my
first crash,
governor.
on this first crash, I expect us to wipe them
Okay,
out.
I'll be second late to the fight.
Yeah, I'm with you.
leadership.
Oh my god, they just let us
Front
off.
lining, front
I got
lining.
points,
I got
my points.
youngs
Start getting
going
active.
back.
They're literally
Grab on
going.
those, grab on those.
Look for
Give me a skill
spears.
one, Jiggy.
Let's go.
I pulled healer. Easy, look easy in the clump. Easy in the
Yeah, I
clump.
see easy.
Quads play from the back and we should be chilling.
Kinda chilling.
With you.
Going easy.
Nobody behind you
Yeah,
guys.
it's fine.
Staggered.
We're looking good.
North
we're looking
post.
good.
Okay.
Coming
I'm going for, yeah, I see easy.
Getting out of here.
Easy in the above the tree.
Let's start taking here. Let's take
Easy.
taking 2, Ace taking 2, so my quads.
He's like
being
perma slow right
close
now.
to the point. My quads being close to the point. Let's start taking
No
here. Let's start
Jonathan.
taking here.
No heals. So with you guys.
Back up
I'm gonna
second.
heal up.
He's on me, he's on me.
You on one.
Good.
Hey, look top side, look top side,
Bubbles
look
is
top
I just got
overextended
nuked.
back here. Bubbles says no stam.
He's one
Bubbles,
zig.
yeah,
Guys,
dead,
nice, good job.
top side.
You gotta.
Okay, no playoffs. Spread.
This guy off.
Try to hold space here. Yeah, push up. A lot of people
Yeah,
turn
I'm
around
on
here.
bond. I'm gonna sip
We
you
have-
on bond.
2 below us.
Two,
Yeah, I
two
see some
disruptors
blue.
behind
My
us.
blib right side. Ooh, we're chilling, baby. We're chilling.
Where are you down?
This guy
Oh, no,
goes
Facing back
on
here.
his
I'm gonna be
Yeah.
dead here.
He's king.
Okay, we're holding.
Wait, we're down a couple
Crazy
bodies.
heal.
Okay, just play slow then.
This one's in 2.
Run it back, come
one.
back
I'm
here.
looking behind.
One's down.
Hey, we're gonna look this right side. We're going this right
Oh,
side.
throw a second mannequin.
Turning down.
One right there, top right.
I stick it up here.
Top right. Hey, get out. Move towards top left, move towards
Go
top
Zabrix.
left.
Look at Zabrix on the ground.
He's king.
Nice, Zabrix low. Nice. Go
He's dead.
Gangito.
This guy's
Gangito.
taking that too.
This
Look
guy's
Gangito.
blind.
Yeah,
Yep.
look Gangito.
Dead.
Dead. Nice, push him now.
Dead.
Look easy on
You
bomb.
see,
Easy on
easy,
bomb.
Easy, I see.
Yeah.
Agent my wall.
Okay, so
Staggered.
He's still
Staggered again.
On the ground. He's one.
Reap.
Staggered again.
Very
Oh
weak,
my
very weak.
god. Wombo combo.
He's game.
Dead.
Oh,
Dead.
Sage.
Nice. Look
Dead
at
as
Shanks.
well.
Look at Shanks. Top up.
Shanks, yeah,
Iron
see
Burst.
Okay, I see Shanks.
Get aggressive. Look at the road. Look at your creature.
Yeah,
Your
creature.
creature. Yeah.
Bunny.
Oh my god. Staggered
Stand
again.
that, stand that.
Okay, right.
Good damage, good damage. Okay.
Nice. Okay, look at
good.
road still.
80.
Yeah, look deep in road. Wage shield.
Wage.
That's pointing
Yeah,
to
I see wage.
deep in road.
I'm in there, road
Oh,
right.
he's
Fuck.
AoE. He's
He's
AoE.
AoE.
I gotta move.
Staggered again.
Yep. On them. Very
Push
weak.
back to his bottom right now.
Wait.
Reaping. Reap on them. Dead.
Brandon,
Okay,
nice.
look back by bomb.
Ashy,
Look back by
grab on
bomb.
Ashy.
I might be down.
Okay, come back. Look, Zalbrix. Zalbrix on
I
bomb.
got T1 behind. Playing my life.
Okay. See Buzz Lightyear?
They have 3 healers and Oppo.
I'm looking
Right.
on.
Okay, come back right. Come back right. Come back right.
I'm coming back right now.
I'm on Mortizac on bond. I'm
Morzak? Yeah, I see Morzak.
Yeah, right next to each other. Stunned again.
Yeah. I see them. I'm on them.
You see Kurbi?
Grabbing them. Grabbing them now.
I see.
File under them.
My friends.
One.
Reaping them.
Look at Morzak.
keeping them
Stunned again.
in. No stam.
They
No
have healers
stam.
in our road. They have healers, both point healers in our road.
Okay,
bottom
go
left.
road.
Oh, he's
I'll
dead.
group low, go road. I'll group low.
Nice.
Nice.
Look at Sage in our road. Sage in our road. They on the ground in our road.
I see Sage. Yeah, she's on point.
On point.
I see
Bottom
something,
point,
something
yeah.
around.
Nice.
Run.
Okay, he's on that. Go left side now. Go left
Double
side.
disruptors,
Going left side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grab on left side. Okay, I'm helping back.
You see CP.
I pulled
Heals back
Claudiana.
He's king.
Yeah,
CP.
I'm on Sippy.
Sippy, no tomb.
Reaping.
Sippy.
We're ticking.
Got
We're
range
just
right
ticking.
now.
We're just ticking.
Okay, look for pressure. We're doing a lot of point ticker now. I need someone on me bottom left.
I'm out too.
Look at Zabrix, look at Zabrix.
Zabrix, I'm on him.
Santi Melo over.
Zabrix on the ground.
My ping.
No one's on healer. I'm gonna go on healer.
Okay, yeah, go healer, go
Dotty
healer.
in the back. And easy. Both on
Santi Melo
the
over.
bottom.
Dust step point, dust step point. Everyone step point, everyone step point.
Step on.
Step point, step point.
Going,
Yeah.
grabbing bot left.
I said ping.
I'm dust, top left. I'm going bottom.
Sending Mel on bottom, sending Mel on bottom. Top left, top left, top left. Top left, deep top left, deep top left. On the ground. My vines. Nice, good kills. Okay, go see, go see. Quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, we have huge momentum. We have huge
Wide back
momentum.
right now.
You guys can buy
Okay.
real quick.
There's a whole army between us. I'm just gonna wrap your
I say just kill
I
you
see
along the
four.
way if you see a healer.
Yeah, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff.
They're all
Perfect
heavy.
time. You're
Yeah,
making
they're all
fantastic
heavy.
time.
Just walking away and
Just
getting
go
heals.
wide, go wide. We can go
Okay,
Yeah.
going
right
up
now.
wide.
Yeah, go road.
Right behind you, Dust.
Just get a position. They got here first.
I'm
With
top
Dust and
left right
Nate.
now.
Go, 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 go.
Take it
go,
slow,
Good
take
chip.
it slow. Don't
Yeah.
Go down.
I can pull one right. Look, wait shield, look, wait shield.
Yeah, I see waves.
First,
I'm
they're gonna
waiting
jump.
for
They're
you.
gonna push up
Main
towards
left.
us.
We're at.
I see top left.
Oh, look at Mori's our road, our road. Look at Mori's our road.
Hey, be careful top side, be careful
Okay,
top side.
on them.
He's out, he's out, he's out. He's out.
Culver's dead. Culver's
Go left side, go left side. Push up now.
Okay.
You see
Sandy
Sandy Mill
Mill,
edge point?
Sandy
Yeah,
Mill.
I'm with you, Dust. I'm with you, Dust. Our post.
Grabbing that.
He's on point. Stay with Sandy Mill on point, on point, on point.
I
Bottom left,
see,
bottom
look
left,
again.
bottom left.
Okay.
Nice, good kill.
Pump
Okay,
dies.
now push up now, push up now, push up now. Left side of point, wait shield deep.
I
Deep
see
left.
way shield.
Yeah, deep left side of point. Mid left, mid left, mid left. He's there, wait, he's VGF fan.
He's came
Death him,
right.
stay with him on the ground.
Wait, shield.
Oh my god.
Pino's down.
He's one.
Wait, VG's just
Him
so
out,
good.
him out.
Bring it closer to
I'm back. I need one. I'm dead.
I'm pretty
Hey,
far.
there's
Yo,
one.
look at this clump. Look at all
We
these.
have
Couple
healer
behind
on
right
there,
now.
probably.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
blinding.
grabbing on that. Johnny. Got pulled back slightly.
Respawn.
I'm getting fucked up.
Just maintain this stick.
Response?
We slow take
Eh,
we
what
wait
we
for counter. We wait for counter. We play for
Meant
the
to
counter.
pull out. I'm coming back now. Just bottom side.
Hey, look top, look top, look top, look top.
There's a healer on our road, dude. Or is there?
Yeah, ooh.
He's running back up. He's running back up. Never mind. Coming back left.
Right, declub.
I'm gonna fight wide again. Easy on the ground.
You see, look.
It's open.
Okay.
Okay. Vial bottom side
I'm on
point.
Come back to you guys.
We play for the counter. We play for the counter. We play
You're a
for the
creature?
counter.
You see creature, John?
Slow take here. Hey, don't let
She's
them
stunned,
wrap
she's
right
stunned.
side. They're trying to wrap right side.
Going
My
for
bottom
healing.
I don't see it. Talk to me. Oh, I see you, I see you guys. I see you.
Yeah,
I
she's
see creature, I see creature. Yeah, I'll be on creature.
Staggered again.
Okay. I'm pretty sure.
Don't take creature, no post.
Come on.
On the ground.
Staggered again.
Dead.
Nice.
Nice,
Buzz.
same
Nice,
buzz,
good
buzz.
There's like 5 or 6 behind
Okay.
you guys.
Easy,
right now.
easy. It's just easy.
Yeah, someone
Yeah.
easy.
There's a lot behind us. Many behind us.
Okay, pulling back,
Five
pulling
for
back, pulling
respawn
back. Yeah, look at
A lot
Tatiana.
of bodies here.
Respawn now.
On that.
Yeah, look at Tatiana mid left. Sage mid left. Step up point, step up point, step up point.
Up on point. Okay.
I'm stepping. Throw a sacred left side point again.
It's already on it.
I'm still on right here.
The bottom point is so heavy. Careful. Top one is free to play.
Yeah, go top. I'm probably dead here. He's on me left side. Right now.
Yeah, it's a pull. I'm pulled out.
I wanna sip on
I'm
ball.
trying to get back to
Respawn.
point. Grabbing top side, the point.
Single fire.
It's up and now again.
Hopping on. Take a bottom right.
Got it done. Nice. Worth.
Wanna get to the
Okay,
main?
we'll be back D gate, back left.
Okay.
Kill people along the way. Don't worry about it.
I needed cleanse for 2 years. Holy fuck.
They're trolling the thing. One guy to our left.
Yo, what game is group 10 at?
Wait, was he calling a bear run?
Let me check real quick. Give me a sec. Hey, you're right gate, you're right gate.
Yo, we're taking it slow here. We're not. I don't
Yeah,
fuck
we're
on any
taking it slow,
pushes
we're taking it
until
slow.
all of the
Yeah,
inside
yeah.
ones are
Someone's
taken
taking
down.
Way over, so
Just
it'll be a
waterfall
while.
some of these horns on the
Hey,
way.
Yeah.
get the gate, get the gate, get the gate and hit horns. I want all the horns dead. Yo, my range hit the horns, bro. Hey, my melee's going fight at the gate. Melee's fight at the gate, bro. Fight at the gate. Kill totally Ashy, bro. This guy's an AI. Kill his ass, man.
Whoa! No! Whoa! Yo, that one was crazy.
Let's move.
I mean, he's
Hey,
right.
move,
Still.
rotate. Hey, 3, 4, and 9. 3, 4,
what
and 9.
gate are
You're
we?
staying at C
Back?
gate.
Back
Not
gate,
C
back
gate.
left.
A gate. You're staying at this gate.
Taking
So
some horns
3,
down, not
4,
there.
and 9. You're
Yeah,
staying
yeah,
at that
yeah.
A gate. Play your life right now. Do not die, bro. I swear, if you guys get dogged down.
Yo, Faro, when you get in, just if you can focus horn. Obviously, we're gonna have to like fight this back gate, but like if you have a second, look at if possible.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, we're
But
not
I've
pushing it
focus
forward,
life.
the hit
Yeah.
on-
DJ Cat up there.
my
3 up
range,
there right
work on those
now.
horns.
It's the
Yeah.
oil.
Can you throw second
Wait,
on me?
Pushing
holy
buttons
shit,
for
I
fun.
have
no,
all
that's
my, all my
3
BB fire steps are in the room.
2,
Hey!
1.
A-Gate, don't get
Respawn.
pillaged, please.
Triggers
A-Gate,
on
just
gate.
live, just live. Don't get pillaged, I see you guys getting pillaged. Hey, kill
Just
this
do, yeah, just do great sword. More DPS everyone.
Alright, you
Looks
guys
like
can
there's
ego
one
them
group
B.
up there
Yeah,
right
you go
now.
them B.
I'm gonna fold it.
Alright, be
3 up
careful,
there.
actually.
Coming right through the gate.
Hey, groups
No, I don't see anybody in the gate right now.
And my BBs, you guys are staying.
At least one
Groups
on
1
the
and 2,
fire
my BBs, you guys are staying. Hey, be careful, they're pushing out heavy. Be careful, they're pushing out heavy. Don't ego them, don't ego them. They're pushing out heavy.
3,
They're repairing E8.
Holy shit.
One.
Hey, A-Gate, A-Gate
Respawn.
pushing. A-Gate pushing, A-Gate pushing, A-Gate pushing, A-Gate pushing. Hey, my
Oh,
back
he's
gate
calling you pushing.
My back gate pushing, my back gate pushing, my back gate pushing.
Okay.
Hey,
It wants us to push in.
Secret's on respawn.
Yes, sir.
We're getting pillaged outside.
Yes, sir.
One, 2 jump behind us.
Okay.
Alright, go,
Look at Dugmeister. This guy's in our fucking company.
Hey, be careful with point though. Don't die on point, just get
Grabbing
it.
on these
Just
two.
get it.
I'm just hitting the horn, I'm just hitting the horn.
I see
Okay.
Doe.
Hey, my
Pushing
big
back.
I don't see the
Pushing
healer.
through.
My big gate pushing.
I'm sticking myself on the stairs.
Going
I
up,
got 3
very
on
eager.
there.
Yeah, we can go up, we can go
You
up.
have 3 coming up, Cookie.
Okay. I'm up here with Cookie.
Ah, the healer is
Going
on horn. DJ
Horn?
cut.
Bowing the guys up top.
Yeah, DJ cut. He no
I'll be on
report.
Dugmeister.
Hey, once that
I got no
CJ
heals
goes
up right
down,
now.
once that
Okay.
CJ goes
He's on
down,
stairs.
No stam, no stam.
Respawn 15.
I'm
Give
gonna
him a wall.
summon
I'm gonna buy.
Yeah, second.
Hey,
Stuck,
send
stuck,
CJ,
stuck.
send CJ,
Okay, I'm dropping down.
Oh my
Watch
God,
this.
do your best.
send CJ.
North post.
Look, DJ Cat.
Go, get in, CJ, get in, CJ.
Hold on, yeah.
He's one on stage, he's
Oh!
one.
Get in.
2.
Hey,
One.
everybody's in.
Respawn.
Everybody's inside. Everybody's inside.
He's on me in dirt. Or stage, I mean stage.
Everybody's inside. Everybody's inside.
Okay, nice.
Punch me alive.
Look at DJ Ken Hill. DJ Ken Hill.
Alright, everybody's inside. Bring it towards point. Everybody's inside.
He's on the ground.
He's him.
Inside, bring it towards point.
Bump again.
Hey, fight
Nowhere
for the point.
post.
Fight
Pulling him,
for the
pulling him.
point,
Yep, I'm
fight for the point.
pumping
There's
him.
one.
Trying to get
Nice,
him.
look, way too much, way too, same spot,
Still
same spot, same spot.
Hey, I'm looking for
I got
healers
3
on.
chasing me.
Okay, I'm going back on stage, go
Okay,
back on stage here.
I see. Ask him for you.
I'm on stage, I'm on stage.
Okay.
Look at our dirt, just play our dirt for a second.
Sandy Mello.
Look, Sandy Mello, yeah, Sandy Mello.
Fire staff up here with us.
He's on my wall. In my wall. She's on my wall.
No pro, Sandy Mello. Sandy Mello, right there, she's low, she's got nothing. Dead,
Done
nice.
again.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice, good job.
His horn's still up.
Just
Inside
play
horn.
loose.
Okay, yeah, can you hit one for all?
Guys, help hit
Yeah, I'll hit
inside
the horn.
horn.
Oh wait, the inside horn's
Yeah,
on
come
deck.
low,
They go
Cole.
too fast. Hey, kill the inside horn real quick, please.
You got the horn.
Come
I'm just in
on.
the horn.
I might need something.
Bi-
Yeah,
biling
I'm
on
gonna
the
jump
third.
off. Sacred dust.
Hey,
No sacred up top, no sacred up top.
Uh,
Sacred's in dirt right now. Standing
hey,
there.
hey,
I'm
Guys,
Doug
inside
Meister.
horn.
Horn is down.
Top C and inside
I'm
A.
good.
kill the shots real quick.
Let a
Hey,
beach.
they have free
Ten.
casting healers at the shops. They have free casting healers at the shops.
I'm looking
The
at
Doug
Doe.
guy. Doug is one. There's one in
Doug is
dirt.
weak.
Nice.
One's
Trying.
in fire.
Staggered
We're gonna
again.
wait, we're gonna
He
wait,
did, he
we're
did,
gonna
he
wait,
did.
we're gonna wait.
I'm getting
Nice,
both
good.
from the other
One's in
side.
fire. One's in fire. One's
Yeah,
in
there's
fire.
bows up
Yo.
top here.
I'm looking for healer.
There's no. You wanna go?
Look at not in
no,
dirt, not in dirt, not in dirt, not in dirt. He's low.
He's
Stamp.
fine. He knows
He's
that.
nothing.
He knows
On
that.
him. Yep.
3, 2, 1, look, look.
Nice. Okay, look towards the front, look towards the front, look towards the front, look towards the front. Look on like above me.
Sacred's on 8.
Ah, shit, never mind, I can't go all the way up there, never mind, never mind.
Yeah, a lot
Never
of bows up there. We can't push that.
mind. Okay. I'll just look at Dugmeister on our
Yeah, I see
respawn.
Dugmeister.
And Zubrix.
Subricks, I see.
Respawn 10.
Dead. Nice
Oh
look,
my god, all
Dugmeister.
the healers playing top B.
Yeah.
Are we going
Yo,
to
all their
B?
healers are playing on top of B.
We have the other group pushing them.
Hey, Sandy Malo, Sandy
You wanna
Malo,
push that? I can push around.
You wanna push above B?
Let's
push
push
it.
it.
Okay, okay. Yo,
Push
my
it from
group's
the
gonna
back.
push
Sandy
above
Malo
B
must
here.
speak on my
I see
Coming
him,
towards
Sandy
you now,
Mello
Dust.
going
No,
up
no,
top
Dust, go
B.
back up, go back up.
Look, just look at shop, look at shop, look at shop.
Aha,
Wait,
Sandy
Sandy
Malo,
Mello, Sandy Mello dirt, Sandy Mello
Yeah.
dirt.
Get ready for the counter. Get ready for the counter.
Sandy Mello dirt.
Tio, he's game.
I see Tio.
I see. Okay, get out now. Thought on dirt. Towards the front,
I see
the
Sandy
front
Malo.
box, front box. Going above the stairs now, going above the stairs now.
I can push back.
Grabbing on stairs, grabbing stairs, balance stairs.
Sacred's on 8.
I'm on Tatiana, jumping up now.
2, 1.
Creature is on D.
Okay.
Val there?
Yeah, I see that, Zelda. Nice.
Wait,
Oh, wait, come
is
back now,
on
come back now, come
stage.
back now.
Wait.
Look at your creature towards backstairs.
Stairs, okay.
Yep.
Following you. I see
Your
him.
creature backstairs.
He's gonna drop.
Drop in
away.
there.
Waiting for him to drop. Okay, I'm on him
Yeah,
as
I
he
can pull in a
drops.
second.
It's a her, actually.
Reaping, reaped on
Dead.
them. Nice,
Nice.
good shit.
Look on stage, look on
You
stage.
see stage,
Hey, we on
Wait,
stage.
chill, wait, chill.
Bring up.
On the ground.
He's on wall,
Respawn 10.
Drop in dirt.
He's game,
Nice.
he's game.
Gone.
Okay, we just hold this. We hold this now.
You see console there?
Yeah.
Take a strip, going
Cancel,
after.
cancel.
He's burning.
Daggers again. One more.
Dead.
Nice, good job.
Nice.
In the hell.
Oh, look at Sandy Milner. Sandy Milner. Cool out stage. Cool out
I see, I
stage.
see.
Yeah, just look like nodders.
Yeah, they're
Good nodders,
I see
okay.
another. You see Kim? He's Kim.
Kevin,
My vines,
yeah,
my vines.
Kevin.
Big vines, big vines, big
He's
Sleep
vines.
on them,
They're
sleep on
all-
them.
they're all-
Nice, let's
Kevin's
nodders.
dead.
Already sacred there.
Nodders
Nice.
dead.
Okay, go Sussy back next. Back on stage, back on stage. We just keep doing this out.
I'm on Sushi.
Sussy back on stage.
Yeah.
Response 10.
We're waiting.
Alright, we're gonna go.
Sandy, Mellow, and
Yeah, I
Air
see.
Creature
Yeah.
for shops.
Going to swim shop. Going to swim shop.
Can go shop.
Sandy's stuck, no pots.
Holy
What
shit.
the?
He's Kim.
Yeah.
I'm bunny here. Bunny.
Oh
Nice,
my.
good kill. Okay, back to
Respawn
stage.
just
Back to
happened.
stage.
Respawn just
Yeah,
happened.
back to stage.
I'm going on top
It's
of
so
the
small.
stairs.
Crabs on spawns.
Right, look at nodders and right
Yeah,
there, right
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Grab on this ape.
Is Kim on stairs?
Single aim.
Downstairs.
Steal your sacred. Stopping.
No, no,
Right there, you're a creature towards the front. He's low. No pros, up, go shop, go shop, go shop, go shop.
Getting burned
Sacred on
here.
ape on shot.
Let's keep on creatures.
Single. No range on fire. Stopping.
Nice.
Okay.
Same spot,
CP
same
on
spot,
stairs, CP on
CP.
stairs.
See Sippy, on Sippy.
Yeah,
Very,
he's one,
very,
he's one.
very. Oh my god, he got full healed. Grab on them, grab on Sippy. Reaping, reaps.
More respawn
Dead.
just
Nice.
happened.
Okay, look at
More spawn
response.
in the game, chasing me.
DJ Cat on horn.
Is Kim on
Yeah, look at
stairs?
those spawns, look at spawns.
Cam,
Yeah,
oh my
yeah.
god.
Yeah, just play.
Save Cam.
Killing for Camry.
Response 20.
Look at Kevin Durant, Kevin
Creatures.
Durant.
No, he's not down. He's not
Play.
down.
Killing top of D.
He's
Just
on
played
one.
again.
Yep, single on fire.
Thank you. Good shit.
Well, yeah, what's going on here?
Response 10.
Hey,
The
what's it
healer
target?
by
What's
me
it?
on
Wait, they
top
got
of
B
stairs.
up, bro.
D stairs.
He is up.
This
he
is
up.
so mad,
You're a
dude.
creature inside horn. We might have to back up here.
1.
Yeah,
Single
I'm
fire.
dead,
Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I'm
yeah.
gonna
I
let
missed
him.
respawns.
Hey, get that B gate out. Get
One's
that
up for before.
And we're gonna look to reset.
Guy off here does
I'm
DJ
gonna
Cat.
get B gate up. Hey, kill the shops. Die for
Okay,
the
go
shops.
to his back, go to his back.
Yeah, I'm on DJ Cat on
We're
backstage.
resetting here. We're resetting here.
I'm a DJ Cat.
Two coming up fast.
Response
here.
20.
We reset here. We reset here.
DJ Cat is one, bottom stairs.
Just reset.
So we're fighting
One's a
creatures, we're
60.
fighting Sandy Mello and Wage. Over here, friend.
Everyone out. We're actually just farming.
You wanna get up?
Yo, we're farming them on like stage and dirt. I'm not sure, is it like point heavy right now? Is it B-gate choke that they're dropping?
I think it's like
2. 1.
I think it's top B Ape. Let's wipe these healers and then
Okay.
can we go top B?
Yo, on the next push, we're gonna go
See
inside
what
our gate, clear back shop, and then we're gonna go wrap around this,
Reset.
the wall.
One jump behind. I lost that. Fuck, my fucking thing's messed up.
yeah. We gotta. I guess.
Response
Poppy's
30.
having
Turn
a
the
lot of
fucking
problems.
thing on.
Poppy's having a lot of problems.
Everyone's not the right color.
Right.
Yeah, it's a
Right.
silly change.
We're gonna wait a couple seconds. I'm waiting for my response.
Just fucking the
Saucy
freeze.
Baka push back, you guys.
I'm
By
hasting
the
up
way,
to you now.
left shop is still up. Left shop is
Oh!
Yo, hey, we're getting, we're outnumbered hard on their side, by the way.
I would
It's
say-
1 to 10. I need a cleanse. Tactical cleanse spot.
Okay.
left your channel.
Get out of there, Chloe.
They pushing.
Grab on these guys, buy on
It's
this.
Kim,
Yeah.
that's Kim.
Good shot.
I gotta play my life for a minute.
2,
Yeah.
1. Push.
Guys jump behind as well.
Push.
I'm gonna take the abilities.
Push.
response 30.
Response 30.
I'm back up now.
Alright, bring it a point fast.
I'm in two, I'm out.
I see you, I see you. I'm still low. I've been low for like 10 minutes here. I need something, I need something.
Fuck, take a stun out.
Oh,
God
dude.
damn it. What are you stunned?
Wait for the recash.
Respawn 15.
Yeah, bring it towards point.
Yeah, let a point tick right now.
Stopping. Yeah, they have so
Eh.
many out here.
We're gonna have to pull back.
Our group is upping. The group is upping. Go on.
Reaping
Okay, you
down.
might just have to play dirt here instead of going up. Response 2.
Okay.
Response
Response
9.
down.
Alright, look top side. Everyone send top side. 3, 2,
What does farm look like?
send top side.
60, 50, 50.
Counter crash.
Let's stage. All their healers and shit on stage.
Yeah.
Middle stage. Let's help middle stage.
Coming. Yes, it
Dugmeister, just hit this from behind. Whatever you can.
That's far side.
Alright, bring it
Yeah,
towards point.
Wait healer and your creatures on front stairs, front
Yeah, I
shots.
see
front
Wade
right.
Shield, creature.
Chop.
There's nobody backstage. I'm gonna go top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah, let's
pushing
go.
top
Can
B.
we go B? Can we go B? Yeah.
Yeah,
Top
top
B,
B.
top B, top
There's
B.
so
Yo,
many
my
people
group's
top B.
not
So
B,
many
my
people
group's
top B.
Skim on the.
I'm not sure. I think we lost.
Come, stay on our side though.
Pushing
Stay on our
this,
side.
buy on
Stay on our
this
side.
All their healers are playing. There's literally 40 healers up here. Holy shit. No one's
Sippy,
Sagey.
creeping Sippy.
Top
Nice.
B is fucking.
Grab on
You're
Sippy.
Toby, right?
Second on far away. Grab.
Yeah, Sippy Q.
So weak,
I'm
so weak.
going after this. I should
Oh my
finish it. He's
God,
dead.
no
Yeah,
way.
he said it's pillar.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Wait, help C-side.
I need something above B.
Got me, Ricky.
Yeah, they're pushing up here now with many.
I'm on Sister Creamy above our gate.
Sacred 8.
coming back to you guys.
Look, Sister Creamy, he's low, no pros, he's got no stam either.
See, creeping them, grabbing them.
Okay, let's go back our side, go
Going for him.
back our side.
Okay.
Stand top, go back our side.
Respawn 10.
I'm gonna
creatures
grow
were
one.
low
I'm
side.
checking if they are rebuilding or
Come back
something.
in.
Oh, there's nobody rebuilding.
You're not.
Alright, get you gate down, get you gate down.
1. Respawns.
They're coming up our side, coming up our side.
Behind you, behind you.
Gate, by the way.
There's two on top,
Alright,
three
we're
on
being
top,
pushed
three on
off here.
top.
There's multiple.
I'm just holding the choke at the top. We might have to drop here.
Yeah,
Don't die
just
here,
so
don't die.
Respawn 30.
Just drop,
Oh,
just
yeah,
drop.
I got knocked off anyway.
Just drop.
Yes, he
Yeah,
said
go
it's
see
finished.
them,
Play your
brother.
life has
10
a
up there.
secret.
They're not
Make sure they
repairing
can't repair.
Alright, we're gonna look at pushing 30. We're gonna look at pushing
They're
30.
not pushing yet.
Respawn
I
20.
don't know if you wanna go in.
Respawn's
Fucking
20,
Oriole's still
respawn's
up.
20.
Come on, get it.
Yeah. Working on it.
I think every Oriole's still up. It's only like tier 1, but still.
Respawn 10.
Can you get me inside choke?
Right, bait your gate, bait your gate, bait your
Stick on you.
gate.
Stick on you.
I'm
Pushing
farm.
in 10, we're pushing in 10.
Fine, I'm fine. They're pushing out.
1.
Grabbing
I'll play
these,
it here
pushing
inside
out.
chokes.
Yo, Ice, we're wiping the May gate, by the way.
Come through us, guys.
I'm gonna push through A.
Staggered.
Push now, push now, push
I have a
now.
vines for him too.
Push now, push now, push now, push now, push now. Hey, bring
just
it
push it,
close
push it,
point,
push it.
down, bring it close point.
Okay.
Push down, bring
Respawn
it close
30.
point.
The Nodders.
I'm going up.
Others is low.
Wait shields to our left, but these guys are just gonna keep
Others,
chasing coast.
see.
Others is low, no stam, he's got nothing.
Holy
you.
shit.
They're gonna crash from C-side. Get ready for the counter crash on
Vines,
C-side.
you're out,
Get
you're
ready
out,
for
you're
the
out.
counter crash on C-side.
Creeping
Then
out.
there's
I'm on
others.
dodging on Jacken.
Grabbing others.
I just gotta play my life.
Stage again, stage.
Yeah, I'm on
Help,
stage,
help,
I'm on
help,
stage.
He can't live this, he can't live this.
Yeah, get ready to
console.
decouple. Get ready to decouple.
Yeah.
My wall on dog.
I'm on Doug
console as
Meister.
well.
Console can die.
Push out for a sec.
He's scheme, he's scheme.
Respawns.
Creature's healing behind. Creature on,
Hey, get ready for this
fast.
counter. We're fast. We're slow ticking. Get off point here. Get off point here.
Where at?
He's going to
These
shop.
are cats
We're good,
above
we're
us.
good.
The cats above.
Yeah, look at
Sage.
Sage, yeah, Sage and Dirt, Sage and Dirt.
Okay.
Segment's on
Respawn 30.
Jonathan.
Hold
Got
Sage, hold
grabbed,
Sage.
then pulled, nice.
I'm on
Sage on the ground, no
stage.
stam and Dirt.
DJ Cat healing.
You want? Absolute,
Early,
absolute,
early.
absolute.
They have 2 healers backstage. They have healers backstage.
Look this right side. Look this right side.
Respawn 20.
Down
Grab
Sage,
on
go Sage.
Sage.
Okay, go Sage. Go backstage now, go backstage. He's still me in Dirt.
Stage.
Healer in hell.
No, they're cleared, they're cleared. Yeah, group 10 is backstage. We gotta go top.
Yeah, I'm backstage.
Wait, look this left side. Look this left side. Look this left side.
Your creature is bottom stairs at A.
Look at Wage Heal Dirt, Wage Heal Dirt.
Respawn.
By the dummy, by the dummy.
Respawn 30.
Yeah, I see.
Go Dirt's
I'm on
backstairs.
that.
I see Wage.
I'm on that.
Damn, not seeing that. Just chase him, just chase him.
Yeah, chasing, dropping.
He has no stam, no stam.
He's in the corner. I'm
There's a
buying
bot.
Wage.
No call.
Nice. More vines, nice, more shit. He's one. Okay, go back our side.
Hey, look bottom. Hey, look
Let's pull it,
bottom.
push it. I'm coming to you, I'm coming
Grab
to
a cookie.
Yeah, peel the
Grab,
cookie.
grab.
Send bottom.
Respawn 30.
Demon console.
Let's
you. Look
go
at console on, as Valdor on
Yeah,
stage.
I'm on as well there.
Hey, play for point.
Reaping in,
Force
reap.
He's
Low as
low.
all fuck. I'm chasing.
Force upside and play for point.
In the
Yeah.
choke.
Disease.
You got
Good
full
heal.
heal.
Segment's bottom of steps.
What are we supposed to
Respawn's 10.
As Valdor still
Yeah,
Dirt.
I'm still on him.
Hey, step one, kill right side, top right.
We just run,
Watch
we
out,
run,
watch
we
out.
run. Yeah.
Keeping him
Step
back.
back, punch, punch.
I'm
Go,
going
look Dirt, Sage and Dirt, Sage and Dirt, Sage and Dirt.
Respawn.
Stage on dirt? Okay,
Yeah,
so
towards front respawn,
I'm
towards front
chasing with you.
respawn. Pull there.
There's many up top.
Just
dude.
step.
Okay, go into Dirt, go into Dirt.
Stagger again.
Stop.
North post.
Segment
Stop,
on
stop, stop,
our
stop.
center point.
Sleeping one.
There's too many up points together.
Let's go. Good
I took
shit,
very
everyone.
long, but
Yeah,
Took a
bro,
long time.
top B was like free just the
Yeah.
whole war. Like they had all their healers healing
Yeah.
from there. They had
Bro, I kind of suck at calling now, bro.
I mean, our dive very much hard dipped, it looks like.
yeah.
I mean, our bruisers also like did well. I'm not too sure. I just like couldn't get any timely crashes.